While we cannot prevent aging entirely, but I can help you to slow down the process. Health of our skin is affected by multiple uncontrollable factors, such as exposure to hot or cold environment and gravity, which can cause aging to take place. Other factors that contribute to aging that can be changed include lifestyle or habit, obesity, diet, or sleeping positions. All of these factors contribute to destruction of cells that can lead to premature wrinkles or affects aging. So how do we reverse the visible sign of aging? The trick is to use the thread leaf technique. Thread leaf is a skin treatment method performed by inserting polypropylene thread into the fat layer under the skin to produce healthy and youthful skin. The polypropylene thread is then pulled to lift the sagging skin on the face and neck, resulting in the taut facial structure. The three main signs of skin aging includes wrinkles, loss of elasticity, and rough skin. Facial expressions can deepen wrinkles while reduce the skin tension and cause rough, dry skin and diminish radiance. Unlike plastic surgery, thread leaf treatment is not complicated and can help to increase the collagen production, strengthening the structure of the skin for more youthful appearance. This technique that uses fine needles and threads can be used in areas that are prone for aging, such as forehead, under the eye, cheeks and neck. One unique aspect of thread leaf is relatively quick recovery. After completing the treatment, patient usually can return home without any further intervention. Patients may experience swelling or cramping on the treated skin, which is normal and typically resolve within a few days. Skin aging is a natural process that affects everyone, regardless of gender. With the added effect of pollution and daily habits, skin aging can occur earlier. While we cannot prevent aging entirely, but I can help you to slow down the process. If you're interested in getting a thread leaf treatment, please visit us in GLOJAS or come for a free consultation with our doctors.